Hi, I'm Kai from By Kai, and today we're going to make a smoked trout croquette. This will be served with smoked lemon mayo using Praise whole egg mayonnaise. So now we boiled our potatoes, we're going to mash them. Then we add 2 egg yolks and we reserve the egg white for the crumbing. We add the chopped chives and we flake in the smoked trout. And we season with salt and pepper. We're now ready to shape them into croquettes. Keep the size consistent. Just whisking up the egg white, ready for the crumbing. And then we roll our croquettes in the flour, drop them into the egg white, and then toss them through the breadcrumbs. So we just pop them into the deep fryer, which is filled with simply vegetable oil. Just roll them onto the tissue paper just to drain the oil off. And now we're going to make our smoked lemon mayo. We are using Praise whole egg mayonnaise, which is a great base, and you can flavor it any which way you like. We cut some tarragon, just roughly chopped. We're gonna smoke a few lemons as well and flavor the mayonnaise with it. And there you have it. It's a great condiment. So we'll just put a bit of mayonnaise on the plate, a little pinch of salt, and then we dress them up with some baby herbs. So there you have it, our smoked trout croquette. It's simple to make, cost effective, and a fantastic bar snack.